So today I was watching this show on YouTube called Hot Ones. It's a talk show where this guy interviews like celebrities and some YouTubers. Anyway, the concept of the show is there's 10 hot wings and every hot wing gets hotter and hotter. So with every question, they have to eat a hot wing.
Wouldn't it be great if I checked out right now? Like, mother...
Anyway, it got me in the mood for hot wings. So I am headed to H-E-B, get some chicken wings and some kind of sauce to make some hot wings, which I've never done before. I have no idea how to do this. So that's what we're gonna do today. Make some hot wings. So I just had about a 5-minute long conversation with the chef guy that cooks over here at H-E-B, and he gave me the whole history on the hot wings. He said any hot sauce would work on aisle 5, so I'm gonna try the Sweet Baby Ray's, only because I've had Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. It's pretty good, so I'll try this. Okay, well I got the chicken wings. Actually, I got the little legs. They're not the wings. You could either buy the wings or the legs. I chose for the legs. They're easier to eat. Quick detour on my road to Wingville. I gotta drop turd 1, 2, and 3 off at the movies.
What are you getting for dinner?
They're going to see Jurassic World
Fallen Kingdom.
Fallen Kingdom.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Don't put that in. That was awkward.
He goes, the best way to do it is put them in the oven for like 15-20 minutes and then finish them on the grill. Well, put the hot sauce in there in a bowl and like swish it all around and put it on the grill. Finish them on the grill. He goes, or you could finish them in the pan, put the hot sauce in the pan, finish them in the pan. One of the main reasons I like to cook on the grill is so I don't have to dirty up pans. So what I'm going to do is I cook them on the grill, put them in a bowl, toss it all around, finish them on the grill, and then maybe baste them toward the end or something like that.
Bye!
Bye, you guys.
Just kidding. Love you.
Have
Bye.
fun at the movies. So I got my grill fired up and going, and I got my chicken here in a pan. And of course, I'm gonna season it with some Bill's Seasonal to start off. Okay, so the chicken's been on the grill for, I don't know, 6, 7 minutes, 8 minutes maybe. Let me check it real quick. So far, so good. Looking good. I think it's probably time to put it in the sauce. Okay, chicken's cooled off. I'm gonna take the Sweet Baby Ray's hot sauce. And like I said, I've never done this before. I really don't know how much to put on. I'm just gonna just put it on until I think I put on enough. And then I guess I could use my hands to what else could I use? I'll use my hands. Sauce them up. Put these suckers back on the grill. Okay, now I'm probably gonna let them cook for like another 5 minutes on this side and then flip them over to another 5 minutes. And I have a little bit of sauce left. I would probably baste the wings baste the chicken with the sauce right before I take them off, a couple of minutes before I take it off. I don't know, I'm making this up as I go along. I really don't know what I'm doing. Never done this before. But I did the same thing with my ribs 15 years ago, and they're the greatest. Pretty good.
Something's missing?
No, I think I probably shouldn't have put the bills on it.
What, too salty?
Look, they're slightly salty. I can't tell if they're salty or it's just the spice that's making it taste salty. They are good.
But salty.
Slightly salty.